Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on an Acura RDX. First, gather your tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. You'll also need 7 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil and a new oil filter. Safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and place. Jack stands for security. Always prioritize safety when working under your car. Now let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an extra 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, use a funnel to add 7 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic motor oil. After refilling, securely reinstall the drain plug and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Finally, check your oil dipstick to ensure the level is correct, adding a small amount if needed. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.